Fits handheld portable electronics watertight, dustproof case. Made of ultra-high impact copolymer 3-piece foam set interior. Automatic pressure equalization valve, easy open double throw latches. Oversized folding handle. Easy open double throw latches. Exterior dimensions 11.64 by 8.34 by 3.78 inch, 29.6 by 21.2 by 9.6 centimeters. LxWxD interior dimensions 10.54 by 6.04 by 3.160 inch, 26.8 by 15.3 by 8.0 centimeters. LxWxD lid depth 1.08 inch, 2.7 centimeters. Bottom depth 2.08 inch, 5.3 centimeters. Lid depth 1.08, 2.7 centimeters, bottom depth 2.08, 5.3 centimeters, total depth 3.16, 8 centimeters, int volume 0.12 ft cubed, 0.003 cubic meters, buoyancy 7.25 pounds, 3.3 kilograms. Watertight, crushproof, and dustproof. Easy open double throw latches. Open cell core with solid wall design, strong, lightweight. O-ring seal. Automatic pressure equalization valve, balances interior pressure, keeps water out. Stainless steel hardware. Pick and pluck with convoluted lid foam. Convolute foam is in the lid only and pick and pluck foam is in the body. Lifetime guarantee of excellence. Interior dimensions, LxWxD, 10.54 by 6.04 by 3.16 inch. Exterior dimensions, 11.64 by 8.34 by 3.78 inch. Top reviews from the United States. Good case. Nice case. I wish it was just a little longer, but I got it to work for me. Case is sturdy and I was able to customize it easily. While there's no lock on it, there are 2 holes for padlocks. The bigger cases have metal reinforcements on these holes. It's probably okay, but the metal reinforcements would have been nice if you wanted to secure the case with a cable to something. I have 2 other larger Pelican cases and I am very happy with the brand in general. They are a little pricey, but I saw a YouTube video of someone driving a pickup truck over a Pelican and another high-end brand's similar model. The other model broke, but the Pelican case did not.